Okay, welcome back to Facebook ads, and we really want to go through some of what we have already talked about and just finalize some of the steps for you. And in this last video, what we're going to do is we are going to look at our custom audience and what we need to do to get started using it. Now, as you recall, we have this lookalike audience, which we created from the audience that we uploaded with email addresses. So what Facebook did was it went out and created an audience of 2 million people. Now I'm highly doubtful that that audience is going to be as targeted as our custom audience. So we can test it, but we probably aren't necessarily going to use it if we want to make sure that our ad is only reaching, and at least if we're going to use impressions, only reaching those people that we want it to reach. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to take this sample audience we created of 100 email addresses. I'm going to click that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an ad using that audience, and all I have to do is I have to click the button that says create an ad using this audience, right? And I can put whatever I want to in this ad. Okay, so it's only going to reach this 100 people. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to and I'm gonna stop the video right here, and then I'm gonna do a little typing in there, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so now what I've done is I've put in an ad name. I have stated that in Facebook that this ad is going to be for a website. I put my URL in there, and then my headline and my text. I decided to choose another image, but remember, I'm doing all this inside of the Power Editor. I'm not using the regular ad creator. It's all the same things, but we are doing it based on our custom audience. Okay, so obviously in this particular case, we're not going to add anything to the audience, okay, because we've already got a custom audience. We will go to the optimization and pricing area. And we're going to put our bid in here, 10 cents per impression. And then that's really all that we've got to do. Now, remember, pretty much when you upload your custom audience, whether or not you get that audience from the Facebook fan pages or you get that audience from your email address, you are only targeting those folks who are in your custom audience. So you need to have a very targeted list, but you need to grow the list as big as you can before you upload it, and then you're going to have a good campaign. Okay, so other than that, all that you've got to do in order to get started, of course, is to get your ad going, and you will be in business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.